Good morning, wherever you are watching. So, how to use awesome screenshots? I will be showing how to use it. It's always like an extension which you can search. You can just come here on Chrome and just search awesome screenshots. So when you see it like an extension. Go to the one that I have it on my extension already, but it's fine. You can just add it and then to your extension. See, it's added to my extension. That's why. See, if I come to this place, I can see this is it already. I'm using, and this is what I'm using for recording right now. If I remove it, I can then add and then come here. It's not always. It's not only on Chrome. You can find it on. You can find it also. It's also applicable to. Um, Microsoft. So if I come here, I search awesome extension. So and this awesome extension, awesome extension on Microsoft on Edge. So you will see awesome extension. I think that's it. So you can also add it on Edge like that. Add it to your part like this moved. If you check this part you will see awesome. So how to use it is as it's been here like this, although I'm using it to record, but you can just click here and then if you want to record you just click on start. Okay, for example, let me just use to record so I can. My voice is on. If you want to off it, for this purpose, I'll off this camera shots because I'm already enabling camera with my Chrome. So if you want to take screenshots to just capture, you can come here, just capture the visible part. Uh, just capture the visible part. You can just so you have the capture ready, so you can copy or you can do copy or you do done, paste it to wherever you want to paste it to. So you can just paste it to wherever you want to paste it to. So that's it. So and you can also have it as a link and you can have it as a link. So I'm showing how to use it as a video and recording your videos. So you can just come here, bring this down here because if you stop it you have ended the call, so we start. You can use it to do more, so it will ask if you are doing just for Microsoft or just window or just entirely all the screen. So if you just want it to have a window maybe particularly to a particular browser, you can just pick that, but since I want to do entire screen, you can just come here and then start sharing. Maybe you need to watch, you want to use to record a particular video. You can just, like, I want to record this particular video. When you shop every day, like. Let me mute it. So, just want to use to record this video. And then when I'm done, I can, I can come here and stop this. When I stop this, yes, so I have the recorded section. Mind you, it's been uploaded. Mind you, I sign in with my Gmail when I added it to extension. So the Gmail will show the name, your name here, and if you want it, if you want to download it, you can download it, move it to your folder. Or but why I use it more is that I should be able to have it as a link. It should save to my cloud. So I'll just come here, generate shareable link. It's always good for web to record your web screen and then you can just copy this code, this link, and then send it to whoever you want to send it to. Like this, I'm sharing it to my um so anybody that has this access can just click on it and then have access to the video. You can just watch it. So that's how to use it. If you have any question, comment, or anything, you can drop, or please like and follow and share. Thank you so much. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.